Pat, how are you doing? This is outside thunderstorm and hailstorm right now. I'm Ahmad Khan. Go Tiger. I hope you have a wonderful day. There is a thunderstorm outside in Islamabad. Hailstorm and raining in Islamabad right now. It's 7:38, 7:39 p.m. in Islamabad right now. The time and the hailstorm and raining. There's a thunderstorm right now. This is my garage. I've got Grande. Toyota Grande. Honda City. And this is my car. Nissan Days. The rain is very strong. The rain is really strong. This is my car, Nissan Days. I'm going to show you Nissan Days. It's always 8-9 years I've been having this car. Somebody took it to Lahore. One of my brothers took it to Lahore. Usman Hayat Khan. So now I've got this car right now back to my city, my home city right now, which is Islamabad right now. We have been living for almost 23 years here. So, but my hometown is Mansehra district, which is in Hazara division near Abbottabad, which is Pakistan Military Academy is in Abbottabad. So we call that Hazara division, which is in KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The old name was NWFP, Northwestern Frontier Province. So I live very close. It's a mountain area, Abbottabad. Then you go down the stream, then you have Mansehra down. So Mansehra is my home village, where it is. Khwaj Khan is my village. This is mountains, northern area of Pakistan. It's like Tennessee and Virginia, the mountain area. When you walk, you get tired very easily. You sweat a lot. It goes top to bottom. When you go from top to bottom, your muscles grow. I used to do that in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, where my aunt lives. I used to go to her on Knoxville, Clinton High School. There was a Clinton High School where she used to study, where she used to teach special children. Almost more than 30 years she has been teaching. More than 30 years she has been teaching special students who need special needs students. She caters to special students. I was one of those. I had some problem in concentration. I met her almost. I've been to 6-7 times to United States. I met a friend also from Virginia. She helped me a lot in Virginia, United States of America. She was in Richmond also at that time. I met her friend. She helped me a lot at that time. I visited 2014 Oak Ridge, Tennessee. I spent 3.5 months there. So now there's raining here. It's quite strong. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go, and you have a wonderful day. I'm Ahmad Khan. Go Tiger! You take good care of your family. I'm Ahmad Khan. You take good care of family and friends. You have a wonderful day. I'm Ahmad Yat Khan. Go Tiger! Signing out. I'm signing out. Ahmad Yat Khan. Go Tiger.